Okay, my name is Alex. I'm gonna show you the difference of the steering lock emulator for the Mercedes. We have right now original steering lock for the Mercedes C-Class. It's the same used on GLK Mercedes. And ignition lock. We have some tools that emulates the entire car. So if we put ignition key inside of the lock, the switch, we see that the steering lock operates. The power of the motor is very weak, so we're gonna have to replace this part with emulator. Okay, so right now it works, and if we test it on our software, which is over here, we can see that the ignition lock and ignition key communicates on the bench. If we put starter, we see that it communicates, scan status is good, so everything is good. Right now we're gonna install emulator, we're gonna program it to the module, we're gonna match it, and it's gonna work the same way as a steering lock. So we connect this part, and we're gonna do some programming right now. After I'm gonna show you that it works. It's the same basics, same exactly as a steering lock. It just doesn't have a mechanical part. Okay, so we installed that emulator, and it's not programmed. So we put the key in ignition, turn the car to on. We see everything, but over here, this part is not working because the emulator is not communicating. It's not programmed. So we're gonna use this specific programming right now to make it work. After some time of programming this emulator, the emulator it works right now. So when we connect and we put the key in ignition lock and turn to on, we now see that it communicates. This part, the bottom line, is working, and you can start the car right now. So everything is done here in the shop without needed of the car. So we can do everything here on the bench.